And yields continue to move higher today, getting up to 453. That's about 16 basis points higher from Friday's close. So it has been a steady move higher this week as we see yields continue to move higher. Now, earlier in the week, we had lower inflation data via CPI. We'll get more inflation data tomorrow, but taking a bigger step back since the first day of May of this month, we've seen yields rally from 410 up to 453. So it's been a significant move, 43 basis points in the month of May, culminating in today's close near 453. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You'll see volatility has actually been moving lower this week as yields have been moving higher. That is until today. Today we saw volatility reversing and moving higher as yields are moving higher. Lastly, let's talk about what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow we get a lot of data early. We have the Empire manufacturing data, PPI and retail sales, and then we'll probably get the highlight of the week for most. I know some think it's CPI earlier in the week, but we get the Fed Chair, who will speak shortly after the data points. It's unlikely he'll change his tune. Recall he spoke last week after the May FOMC. He talked about the Fed remaining patient and not wanting to act too quickly, i.e. not wanting to cut too soon. And it'll be interesting to see if he changes his tune or if he adds to his comments from last Wednesday.